I look at one of my favorites, Gala Games. All right, absolutely love this project. I was in it the last bull run, and I'm in it again. All right, I bought some more this morning. If you're buying spot on Gala, I wouldn't worry a whole lot. I mean, unless you're really penny pinching, trying to squeeze every last Gala out of a pullback. This thing has got a huge target for the bull run. Okay, it's at 6 cents. The target. Look at this thing. Look how far down this thing is yet. It is still from the all-time high. It is still down. Oops, I'm sorry, went the wrong way there. From the top to where we're at now, it is still down 92%. Okay, so we've gotten 8% off the bottom. That's it. All right, at total. If you look at this, the 4.236 up, and I know it might be hard to believe. Actually, it's probably up a tad higher, right around $3.50. Okay, if you zoom in on this, you could get it exactly. But for the video, I'm not really concerned. Concerned with them prices right now. But $3.50. Okay, I would not be too. Like I said, unless you're going to sell to 1618, which is at $1.34, or the 2618, which is around I'm holding this thing until full extension on this thing. All right, I'm holding until at least $3. Okay, so if you got if you got 10,000 Gala and it ended up costing you what? It's 6 cents right now, so that'd be $600. You have the potential to turn, if it does a full fib, them 10,000 Gala could turn into $35,000, $600. I know that might sound crazy, but let me tell you, I got Gala the last bull run. I got 250,000 Gala, $250,000 for $37. The second day Gala was on launched, I was on it. All right, way before it came on this chart. Yeah, I got it way before that. This chart, September of 2021, this chart starts. Okay, I got it way before that. You can go back and look at Gala's all-time low. Do the math. $37.77. I got 250,000 of them. I wish I would have sold the top. Not even close. I really. I wasn't real great at charts then. I kind of had no clue where it was going to go. Really didn't. And, I wish I would have. Now, looking back, that would have made a huge, that would have been 200 grand off a $37 investment. It didn't even, not even close. That's why I have that level 3 membership now. If you're interested, $14.99 gets you 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to do this stuff, and to get you a link to our trading Discord for $15. So thank you to all the members. You guys are the best, really. 196 members now. I never dreamed that would have had that many. Thank you very, very much, guys. And if you're interested, please go sign up for $15. If I would have had the last bull run, if somebody would have been offering that to me, I would have been all over that. Geez, could have made a huge difference in where I was looking for price to go. So anyway, we're going to take a look at a couple things here with Gala. I think Gala the next month or two is going to be one of the biggest movers. That's why I kind of stacked some more on today. I'm not waiting for a pullback. You might not get one. Quite honestly, might not get one for a while. You might have your normal 5-6% pullbacks, but a 20 or 30%, I don't think you're going to see that out of Gala for a little bit here. I think it's about time for those coins to start running the gaming tokens, and I do not want to miss a move on this thing. You can see back here in January of 23, it was similar around February. It's similar to the price range we're at right now. Okay, so you really can't complain. You're getting it close to rock bottom. All right, it did come down to what looks like a penny, a little over a penny during the bear market right through here. But for 6 cents, Gala games for some that might go $3 or beyond that. You really can't complain. All right, let's go over here and we're going to get back to this chart here in a second. I do want to show you guys the bubbles here real quick and take a quick glance at Bitcoin, and then we'll see what Gala. There's Gala 8.7% on here. No. This is going to reload. I apologize. I just opened my laptop. I brought it out to my office area in my garage out here. Not a mechanic or nothing. I just have a little office area set up in the garage that I do my videos in. I'll give this a second to upload or to update here. It's the first time I opened the crypto bubbles today. I haven't even looked at them yet. Here we go. Should pop. There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. Yeah, Gala is one of the biggest movers on here. Besides XCC. eCash. Okay. Rank market cap 1.3 billion. I was just curious what the heck. That's the first I've heard of it, honestly. I don't know. Maybe I should look more into some of the newer stuff, which I do. Mostly gaming. I like gaming tokens. That's why I think I love Gala so much. But in the Gala, I have a lot of Caspa stacked. Just all kinds of VeChain. Love VeChain. I think this could be a good year for that. But you can see Bitcoin held that support we were talking about yesterday. The big story is going to be told right when it gets up here. Okay, this is either going to turn into a big ABC pattern, or it's going to bust through here and keep going. Okay, so pay very close attention. A close above $70,000 on a daily would convince me that this correction is done, and we're heading higher. Next target would be roughly $82,000, and then right up around 90 after that. Okay, I believe this is a wave 5 coming in, quite honestly, for Bitcoin. That's what I believe is happening. I think it's going to go up into about 88 to 90,000, and then we might have our big correction right there. And this is all just going to be one big wave 1-2. All right, if you go out in a weekly and look at this a little bit, makes a little bit more, monthly, I apologize, makes a little bit more sense, especially if you get this off here. All right, you can see a wave 1, 2. This would be a wave 3. That possible fourth wave pullback on the weekly there, that red candle. Wave 2 was very complex, so wave 4 would not, and then a fifth wave up. Okay, if you come on a monthly and you put a trend-based Fibonacci on here and take a look, this would give Bitcoin a roughly, see, what's it saying, about 93, right around 93. Okay, and then if you put the regular fib on here, all right, right up in that range. Okay, 93, 100,000. I mean, right in that range that we're looking for. I mean, even if this is a let's go in and say this is a fifth wave coming in for Bitcoin. That would give a fifth wave target of around 82,000. A 2618 is up at 95. All right, but usually the 1618 is your target. All right, so we'll see what happens. Just keep a very, very close eye on this. A close above $70,000 on a daily. Okay, that's going to be your signal that the correction's over. If it gets rejected up here at 68.8, 70,000 bucks, if it gets rejected, then this is all just going to be a big ABC pattern coming in. All right, and then you're going to see Bitcoin pull down here, the upper 50s, 50. That 57.5 to 59.5, right in there, be a big ABC. So we'll see what happens when the time comes. Back over to Gala. Love this time. I love Gala. When I talk to my friends, even if they ask me what should I buy, what should I invest in, Gala Games. It's still coming off the floor. It had bear market retracement back here. Right there, it went to 6 cents. You're not, these people that bought way back here, you're getting in right where they had their chance. Okay, now I can see a bounce right off of this, a retracement back to it right there, and a bounce off of it, and that's what it got on a. We zoom in on a daily. Actually, pull down just a little bit deeper. Let me go back on that weekly. And even it pulled down to this level right here. Well, yeah, you can't complain, guys. I mean, if you're getting in now, I mean, good for you. Congratulations, because look at that big green daily candle on Gala. Looks like quite honestly to me, this looks like a fifth wave pushing up right here. If it's not, if this is a big 1-2 starting and this is the third wave starting on this thing could really, really run. Okay, if it's a fifth wave coming in, you'd be looking at close to 11 cents before we have any major correction here. All right, so Gala Games, like I said, this thing is still down 92% from its all-time high. So right back here was the bear market low, I believe, 0.013. All right, there, boy, that would have been nice to get it there, but isn't how things work out all the time, right? You got a big daily green candle on here. You have the daily RSI heading up. It's at an 11 and an 8, just starting. All right, you got your 12-hour 70 and a 46. It's bullish. The 8-hour 100 and an 86, and obviously it's not going to go straight up and down. This looks like a 5-wave up. 1, 2, it's this third wave. This will be your strongest moving, fastest moving wave. 4, and then that 5 up to the 1618 up here. Who knows how far wave 3 could come. Wave 4 could be a decent pullback, and your fifth wave up. All right, so something like that. It's going to be more than likely. Okay, your third wave should be your longest wave. If that's what we're working on here, that is what this should be your strongest, fastest moving wave here. And if we put a trend-based fib on this, what kind of target would that get? I love this trend-based Fibonacci. If you sign up for level 3, guys, learn how to use the fib. It'll save you tons of money, and not only that, it'll make you tons of money. All right, this is giving a target up around close to 10 cents. That could be right. Could be a wave 1-2. These don't always make it to the 1618. Sometimes they'll fall a little short. So don't always think just because that 1618 says 10.9 that it's going to go there for sure. It don't always work like that. Sometimes it don't. All right, sometimes it comes just short. If you don't think these market makers out there don't know that you're watching for a specific price target, think again. It's crazy how that stuff works, but or you'll have people, I don't know, they say the market's driven on emotion, human emotion. I don't know, sometimes, quite a bit of market manipulation out there also. So just like I said, just because this says 10.9, don't always go for that. There's nothing wrong if you're in a long on this or whatever with taking profit in the middle. All right, just to be safe. And if the 1618 comes in, oh well, you're still in the green, you still profited. It was a winning trade, so just be happy with that. If you're in spot, good for you. Gala has a long ways to go. Thank you so much, guys. Please come over and sign up for level 3. We'd love to have you, and have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.